Algebra 2, we are looking at lesson 6.6, and we're actually going to use Desmos extensively. The zeros are what we're looking for today, the zeros of a polynomial function, and plain and simply, these are our x-intercepts. It's where our y value, y coordinate would be 0. So all you have to do is type in y equals x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 1 into Desmos. And we're going to do that right now. Go to desmos.com and we can just type in either f of x or y. I'll do y here. We'll go x. When you hit Shift 6, you'll use the caret, and that bumps you up to a power. I'll keep doing that. We'll have minus, we need x to the third, don't we? And then we'll say minus a 2x squared here. Finally, we'll have a minus x and then a plus 1. And you can see your graph is going to show up in a hurry. You just have to click on the x-axis, 0.48 and 2.08. So all you have to do is go to Alex, and again, just pay attention to the amount of work that you're actually having to do here. This is kind of nice. All you have to do is really type in what these zeros are. So we're also going to find extrema. Now, extrema could be called turning points or local max or local min points. A local maximum will be the top of the mountain in the relative context. To points surrounding it, it's the highest point. A local minimum will represent the lowest point. And what's a little different is we will actually write out ordered pairs, x comma y's. So we're going to have to change this up a little bit for 2a. You can see 2a and 2b is thankfully the exact same equation. So we'll have x to the fourth. Look, you don't have to retype everything. That's the nice part. You can just say minus a 3x cubed. Minus an x squared. I'm going to have a plus 6x, and then a minus 4. And it will not take you too long to see where we're going here. So first we're asking to find local minimums, low points. Now I think our eyes are immediately drawn down here to negative 0.79. And rounding to the nearest hundredth, the 49 becomes a 50, so it's negative 7.50. This is a low point to its immediate surroundings. But guys, there is another low point right over here. It's 2.16, negative 4.17. So what you have to do in Alex is write them both down. You'll type negative 0.79, negative 7.50. You're going to have to hit the AND button. The AND button is going to allow you to type in a second ordered pair. And here we get 2.16, comma, negative 4.17. Next, we're asked in 2b to find the local maximum. And the local maximum, if we were to just look for the top of the mountain, it would be this point right here, 0.88 and negative 0.9. Well, the 3 is going to get bumped up to a 4, negative 0.94. So, plain and simply, you just have to type this in. Whether you put 0.88 is up to you. You could just put 0.88. But that's your local maximum, and that's all you have to type in. So kind of a nice, quick way to get some credit. You're letting Desmos do all the work for you. Just look for these top of the mountains or bottom of the valleys. The bottom of the valleys are minimums. The top of the mountain here is called a max. And that is lesson 6.6.